my name is Isra. I'm gonna make blueberry cupcake today. First thing is cup of flour. I want sugar. Baking powder. I can put a cocoa powder. So can I add that? Two of them? I'll mix ingredients. Oh, better now. Oh, oh. Wow, that's so wavy. No. Can you? Let's add egg. Can you add that now? Be really careful, okay? Mix. Cool. Mix. Bonbon. Mama, I made this right. Now I'm done. Look at my mixer in the bowl. Blueberries. Time to put it in a bowl. I know what to do. I can this.